was now. In my car, you were very well. So first, let me talk about the boy. The boy in a person way before Sharon Noah, he don't build house.
Okay.
He get house of his own with that's about 3 apartments. The family day, your apartment, the mama apartment day, then in Simply's apartment day.
Wow.
On a hostel, the BIU.
Speak PGO.
Okay, he get hostel for BIU. He get house already. Not be tenant he pay. And then when Sharon Noah was driving a Lexus 350.
Okay.
And then once he buy GLK joiner. Presently at GLK, and he even get hotel.
Okay.
That he always go China for business and coming back. Then also he dey stay for Lagos, Lekki. If he come back.
Wow, meaning the girl a big boy.
He dey okay. He's not that rich, saying a billionaire, but he's a millionaire. He dey okay. Not the person where they suffer. Not the person where they feed from hand to mouth. So I don't know what people they talk that thing for. Some they call him small boy. It's not a small boy. Person where they in 30s a small boy. But the fact that the boy they feel enjoy himself, they feel use better cream, they live well.
They call him small boy. The amount what they're doing for us, wait till the Joma don't give them. Not be Euro for year, women they crack, they say, my husband won't leave me. It's children.
Women must not marry ancestors.
Single mother wait for Europe who cause not be mere cause for their body. That's why not the saga single mother again. The woman wait for Comos put for us, not be single mother of different father.
Okay.
Almost what the one we put for us, so you not senior with 15 years.
15 years.
Then they thought say it's love, even if say Sharon senior the boy.
What the boy they do? You not definitely say they go.
Who are you? Person who dey China.
Wait, Enogie. I think the but they don't see the boy birth certificate.
No, so people get baby face, so not be so that my sister be honey. That my sister will bring me come. That way that they go 50 years. If you ask her how many years they, he goes say I want reach 33 years.
Enogie. All women must not marry ancestors.
Exactly. But we tell you.
So
that my sister now just say get baby face 50 or you now 50. Next 2 years go they 50 years.
That they are not going because nobody does see the birth passport. You never see certificate that much more.
Nah, jealousy, not make them. Just go straight to the question. You said no, Abi? Okay.
Yes, nah.
Sharon, they say Sharon takes the money we take buy a house. Was she saving the money in your hand?
Yeah, so that no, not in my hand. Sharon did not even have the Sharon house. No, because if they buy house for Europe, not be say you just pay cash once. She was saving because very hardworking woman. Even the boy said give her small. Not be say give her plenty. Because
okay.
I remember when she find money to pay for the house. Or you move over, or you borrow, or you buy pay back.
Okay.
So all those things now.
Some people say why Sharon go seek Aduro from Germany when the baby papa get money. When he dey okay.
Okay. That Aduro, me I not even sign her. Because me I not even know say na Aduro. She not go to, not the Aduro she go to. She wanted to go, she wanted another life. You know say inside the first
okay, go get papa, may he take on German territory.
Yeah, take get passport.
Yeah, say, you know say some friends will say come by side. And so Germany, so they pay higher than this. So that one. Okay, that one, my brother. Okay. That one not there now. She was laughing at me. But I said she not go. She said, no, you didn't miss me, no. Don't worry, I'm going to go back. All those kind. She was also, no, I don't say you go miss me. You don't want to make I go. No, I said, which one be no? Which one go to? You don't feel bad house.
Yes.
You know, you don't feel bad house. Where you there now? That one when me dey take. Me and my mother we take for this time make you no go. But my mama support her make she come out. I support her make come out.
I heard that her mother also borrow her some money. How true is that? Or you not aware of that one?
See, when Sharon was leaving for Germany, Sharon needed some money. And she needed money. I said, ask your mama now. And she said, yeah, man. But even if Sharon need the money, take ball up.
Yeah.
If not, if you're not even fit, if you're not even put a house for rent, because I can't say you didn't go somewhere, you don't know how it be. You want to put your house for rent. She can't say she needs money. If your mama borrow some money, she need money where she wants. She go they put her house for rent, go they find money.
Oh yeah.
If they say borrow her money, they exchange phone. Shall not give her a phone.
God forbid.
She go buy.
Una dey see wetin mama dey do pikin.
Na phone where they open. You give her. You go buy the other small phone.
Jesus.
You carry television. Speaking for me for Benin, I think say Omoruyi I got your very on it.
Jesus.
I got your very on it. Carry television. You give her then the person na €1,000. Now you give her.
You wait, they say not be batting. I bet more just I want to block this person. We say not be batting. My mama.
Maybe not Dorothy or not.
My mom, if my mommy give me something today, you know, call the ask for collateral. You are a useless person. Continue.
So, I don't already answer your question now. So that's what I want to say happen.
Okay. So, for now, I think you don't answer my questions. Okay, now.
I want to just drop my attention now. Wait. There's one. This teller not be. I should not be Mama Sharon's sister.
You know what's in my sister.
You are going to end when I'm wearing this photo of the people. This question, so when this person they ask, tell her you know the answer now.
I don't see the question. I believe I say you screenshot her. What is tell her the ask?
I dey come and send that to you.
Send that for me, I beg. Guys, before then, let's take a flashback at you get question what I'll ask you, but let's take a flashback to Sharon's movie when she was alive. Mudia. With Madi.
Ibana gogo. Omari gibae. Oga si bogyo badove. Ebo mi se. Odwagon. Ewe made yeke no pero re.
Thank you, Naomi love. God bless you.
Bueno, mamie, oga se bogyo madove. Ebo mi se. Odwagon. Ewe made yeke no pero re. Ebo mi se. Ayi koyo ya mazen.
Why else watch her for 5 minutes? Then we'll come back again.
Agiri yo se. Ebo mi se. Odwagon.
That forward down.
Yummy.
Wanna go stream the song, wanna go stream the movie, make the money for the go Sharon children pocket.
degbe no keke no munima. Nyewo. Uma go kufi. Ege no keke ni maya aye gborogboro.
I get what you look for.
Okay, na do mana eti am.
Me ta me no gbegbe wa.
O e me we. O ma wa da ma wo tu bia, no awe no logo e. Ma yu me we ya re.
Winnie, he met you one at the one about to you. Well,
What's on my
Ewe madeye ke no pero re ebo ise. Bueno gioma ga gioma ko. Mamie oga se go.
So the name of the movie is Ewe Made. I just want to take a flash to read. Patience, Izzy, are you still online? Patience, this was the last movie she did.
Yeah.
Okay. The only last question I will ask you before you come out. You see, would you still like in the future, maybe if those children don't grow, to be in their life?
But the children get father now, so the children are supposed to be. The mother not the papa is supposed to.
And we no, you get question I will ask you. No, that one go too wide. No need to ask you that question.
Ask me, Enogie. Don't be scared to ask me any question.
Yes, Oyibo they give Sharon mama money. Till now, Oyibo which are on date after they don't date, they call you and do godfather. Yes, they give mama Sharon money, 600 euro every month. Do you know about
that 600 euro? I don't know, but I only know. I don't know when she died. They both tell me say he give them money, but that every month I don't know. I don't dey sure. Some people lie with it, I don't know. Because I know when she start on come on now here from that one, so.
Okay. You don't screenshot her for me. Stop defending the boy. The boy denied the last baby. Yes. Tell us about that denied baby. Okay. What happened between you and Festina? That's the last question for today. Festina Peters.
Okay. I really see video where she take come your live.
Yeah, she was here 2 days ago. Yeah.
Say he don't want to because he don't want to wait here and want. But I know you are watching right now. I think this is another ready for me to answer you.
Yes.
I don't know what I want. Sharon died. He never reached few days. Now they call me, tell me say he collect. Mama Sharon send her IBA for her postpay.
Thank you for the gift.
If people they donate money, so the thing really made me feel bad. Personally, your friend died. Now IBA where they want to donate money to life is not concerned.
Sharon died. He never reached how many days? Festina can't call you.
That is why I never even died that time. But that period, very matter the cost. He said the mama sent postpay call in case anybody wants to donate money, they put postpay. I was like, somebody like this, that postpay, now they collect post because those are all those things. The mama not be doing with me because the mother know me say me I don't be those kind of person.
Yeah.
So you will be your friend. Now they now postpay to the same go give money they donate money. Now you need to talk about.
Can you imagine?
That also, you said that they insult me. She go and comment for them. I see how when Monica is talking, she they comment for the comment section. So, the thing, I just look at you, I just take my hand recently. They tell live video, they talk about now so celebrities they come down. I told that don't say what you don't because you're not here. You're watching. You're not here. Even if I don't even tell you that kind of thing, for example, even tell you, you won't
Can you imagine?
You want to talk, you say why they not they come visitor. Where start on that? Our people not go to the house. They don't talk about the next day.
Of course.
So if not you go still carry your head go that place. But if you say not tell mama to your mother, who call you person you come person. This life you don't need to put blame on people. Focus on yourself. Why you guys putting blame on everybody? The mother, madam, she's not up to 60 years. She's in her 50s. Is she old? Women day when they born for that age. That woman will be prophetess. How many children she get? Not be 6 children. When she born, not be mama already said that one.
Of course.
So why don't we say this woman and to like say now everybody must contribute, everybody must do where? What are they put blame for people for? Why you guys blaming people?
Okay. Now that one cause you are Festina matter.
I don't always take less from her. I'm not waiter. She talks too much. You're good to put right up and down. They don't say I don't want saga, but you're right up past saga. I see her and Dorothy, they talk that thing for there. See, no, can't get where they go. Dorothy, I forced to where they go no.
Oh, what about my first all the problem I have with this Dorothy.
I see that money with my eyes. That was the first day where I did see that girl. I saw her from Mama Sharon bar with Le Sharon and our celebrity. That was there. In my area, only one level here. Oh, what you get there? Oh, says point. I'm not going to talk. They go to my area.
Who be that one so influence Akaba?
I'm not mention your name.
Okay.
You go your boy. But I don't even see on my eyes. Next time when you say me, see when you take my money.
This body say, Izzy abeg, wetin Sharon don do for her mama since her mama bring her. I no understand. Are you guys okay? Izzy abeg, no vessel. I wan ask you, wetin Sharon don do for her mama?
You go there Europe when they give your mama money for their job. What your mama don do for you?
See, mama bring hay.
Una when they go church, the Bible says.
Now condition make us go dey send our mama money. Now they always supposed to take care of us.
I better go back.
May I tell you, when they go to the Bible says take care of the child so that he goes the way he or she should go so that when they grow they will not.
You will bad, exactly.
Ask me big risk though. I'm not the cap. My mama no dey gree make I give her money. So I go Nigeria, mama they would ask me money. My mother talk as in her position. So I say bring me.
Yes.
She go do for me.
A poverty you marry go get marriage wow. That's the truth.
Mama dey copy that. You know what? You know all come on we home one way. You know what they do shopping. All those things are bad.
Oh, mommy who are we going to wear in Israel or but
mommy get but for mothers they like my mother not they talk as they will get the same thing for my children. So anything make you pick on life, you must take care of the tea. Man, I store where man I met then if you call it for. And this is me what we plan.
Speak pigeon, not everybody here Bini.
So
that it's poverty for a woman of 60 something, a man of 70 go they call girl of 23 for you to say you never send me money for food. People are supposed to, if with this system where they work, those people you don't ever see Oyibo, small Oyibo like this. Papa go to disturb and say, hey, you never send me money. Poverty. Which that question be that one? Was Sharon dating Jeff? Or walk boy the Chris? That one a question. Well, I want to ask Preacher Izzy. Oh yeah, that's Sharon. I'm not getting no, but I give you a WhatsApp number. Oh yeah, no. A sniper, oh, I think I connect to Sharon Babala. I only give you the best visa to Sharon. From when you see Sharon, no, sniper, straight. As they drink the sniper, you see Sharon clearly. That be one when you talk. You know they see how they ask her the question. You go come they see you. Well, so you go there, ask the question straight. This will not be say na phone again. You go even get direct access to us. We ask you are. Say how much is sniper. Hello. Because the thing that surprised me, Sharon, the trick stepper and ask Sharon very quietly. If you drink snapper before 3 minutes, 4-5 minutes, you don't see Sharon. You don't see Sharon. 4-5 minutes, you make Sharon. You go even the place that you see person where you know. That's what. The mumu. No tell on my way instantly. But just that where the snapper. Mama, I don't know the passport, okay? Passport in matter, man. Passport in Mama, Mama, yes it. A passport on I told her terminal 15. Not for me. Arrival no departure. A passport on arrival, but no departure. Where's over here? Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Yeah.
So we'll put this investigation for part 2 because I will get another thing to ask you. I beg because of me. No, because of time. The time is already running out. Who will call you? Percy will book me for. Percy will book me for NC this afternoon. Though they write me if I would they wash it for life for you. My wife won't dress finish. Oh, we are here. Percy will book me for marriage. They go. But they say you know come. Because you don't tell people for area say you come. And you never party over the investigation before that time. I get 3 party today, but I don't do NC for 1. I do NC for.
Okay, but I want to say, Enogie will present him.
Message.
He dragged Enogie because he was sick.
The pregnancy is not my tear, but then when I tear, you see person when not they talk. Oh, I go I don't join you. Oh, I go I don't join you. Inside the drag. God for me.
Every chat phone has set for me. Go enter on a body.
People they request. I'll bring them up.
Mama buy me. I mean, I want to do sacrifice. I mean, everybody they pepper on my video. So I not pop for now. I not pop put on a trap. I not go pop push. All the trap on a set, I go drop and pass.
Exactly.
Because my heart.
Just be strong. I know say you see they miss your friends.
As they stay together, they do that video and they do. All of them go fall back on one. But the 50 cents, not even say make you like your children. Not say make you scatter your sister up and down. My head don't go let you die. I don't fit that time because all of them they talk say, the king is die, the king is no ask yourself. Nobody they ask the question. But the 50 cents, if you want to know what to buy your picking as a mother, I want make you get up from where you take. Go the highest level. Go let cost on whatever can have your picking debt. May your picking call the person.
Mama me about now.
Pay complaints down so they go from life to the present.
Before they even bury Sharon, that is supposed to call the spirit of Sharon.
Madam, 50 cents, this one is for you. I'm not saying you watch me now. If you really care for your picking, you really love your picking like you claim. You're supposed to go the highest place. Because that picking has gold. We come up for your hand. So you really value
Not Mama.
Now you know they value and where they all die. When they value and when they are alive, you don't value them. You don't value when they are alive. Now the time now you come begin the value and now you want to blame people for your own error. Nobody is perfect in life. People make mistakes. But pick up your pieces together and forge ahead. You say no. Say you want to begin the drag people, children go. My head not go let una kill. My head not go let una kill. I'm not go die.
Wow.
I'm not go die. See, if you really love your pikin, you can't come up for house when you go find waiting by your pikin. If you trust yourself, go find out waiting by your pikin. Now do it saga up and down.
Exactly.
Saga will not stop it.
At all.
Saga will only increase it.
Exactly.
Go out. Here where Granny say, crowd, we get palace for Benin. The crowd say, I want to know this you must get solution. But no, you want to choose all these big flags for TikTok where they saga people up and down. That song when you play for the beginning, where I could sing, you go play that song again.
Okay.
A family traumatic again. And I'm not sure about Bomowa.
Kakabo.
Please, they ask for this song. It dey happen. Please, they happen. So, if you not say your mind clean, come up for us. Go find where to buy your pikin.
Exactly.
The saga go quick. Not get to the saga of our get up.
In your own saga help me.
Go find out where to buy your pikin. Make that person confess.
Thank you.
Make that person buy. May we know who the person be where buy your pikin. Now to the point finger. To say this one act buyer, that one act buyer, this one act buyer, Madam, get up me go find where to buy your pikin.
What's with you?
Mama but this not get married. Or get more affair. On my side, you can't be more in Nigeria. First, and you will not be the last.
What's with you? God bless you. I'll call you later. We'll see.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Patience Izzy, for honoring my invitation. Though Magama where you talk, and I would like also 1 year from you again tomorrow, maybe 2 or 3 questions. So may I bring people up? May I hear from my fans?
Is normally the lady have children, and the lady and the children they are living here in Europe, so they're supposed to leave the lady here in Europe so that the kids can go and be visiting their mother.
Okay. Now we talk that time. Now we talk that time now.
I don't really know why they take the lady to Nigeria for what? Huh? And they have kids. Our kids may go there anytime, put flower there for their mother, play around. This is very important for the children.
God bless
That
you.
is my opinion, but I don't really know why they do that to her. I don't know.
Thank you so
Very,
much.
very painful.
Thank you.
Martin,
Yeah.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to ask question. I want to ask Izzy question. I don't know whether she'll see the watch.
Yes.
We are your fans. You don't even follow me. Don't tell me be your fans right from 2016. Self when you and Keke star that time. Don't tell me don't know you. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Since Izzy they say now only she just they do everything for Sharon, her friend. So not the way Sharon don't ever do to Izzy. No benefit. She claim now say no benefit where be say Sharon don't ever give her since where they know. How is that even possible?
She swear just now.
Okay, you reason now, pa. How is that even possible?
It's possible, eh?
How is that even possible? It's not. Okay. Let's remove the hate that.
Now bring Patience Izzy back. Wait to make she reply you. Patience, you hear that question?
Okay, I dey watch you.
You hear that question?
Yes, even the mama they are aware. See, what's it for this like to say? I don't be say I don't give her millions or I don't give her thousands or whatever. No, they try to change the narrative, say that she they give me, whether it's not like. I tell you, I say, since they come my house, never buy latte, come this house.
Yeah, you talk.
The only gift I have from Sharon, I don't like, was the wristwatch he bought for my.
Okay, another question, my lady, another question. Since when you say know your friend, your best friend, you never get one day where Mama Sharon just say they go to Sharon one day. Because according to you, Mama Sharon is a bad mother.
No.
Never get one day where Mama Sharon say they go to her daughter for one single day for the time when I take play. It's not there at all. No good memories at all.
No, wait, you ask me questions on faith. I answer you. Because you are saying, I don't follow them. See, I knew Sharon how many years ago. I'm not saying Mama not take to Sharon. Did I say it? I only said, see, when you drag your picking come up with your grand picking, even if your pikin offend you, that grandchild supposed to let you say no.
Exactly.
I know good to not be mama. This is not the one they talk. Not only they try to beg the person talk to another way.
Easy understanding. Okay.
All this girl when they talk. If that girl was not really know. They will always
Bella, mute.
they can play for 10 days, they will cry for 20 days.
Wow.
I don't know what is causing their quarrel. The mother is always complaining about Sharon. Even to me, they tell me, Sharon will not back.
Another question where because of time, I don't ask because of time.
Because I tell when I know they twist my word. I'm not going to see mama no good to her. I'm not going to say my mama now, not being born now. But for life, there are some critical time of your life when you say you need that your mother's presence. Where you know they always say. And this will not be too late because mama, some God of other mothers when they watch. All those are natural attitudes when they get as parents for years say, where they know you're here, I'm not looking at you, please say yes now. Please say you now.
That's my only question. Any other person can ask. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Good night. Epa.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me the chance to talk. Patience Izzy. Not to just they follow you. I will follow. I'm not versed, but they follow Patience Izzy long before I follow you online.
Yes.
You get me so I want to talk about this thing. We say Patience Izzy the one you feel so you can't walk past the one me myself so me see for my friend when we see memory so I say Patience Izzy the one where she dey feel now for her own can't get secondary school certificate from the one me I see from my late friend from my man. So what I want to tell you, Patience Izzy, I be say you know one thing you should that one when they say silence is the best answer. Sometimes not silent, so if you silence, you go die in silence. That's it.
Yeah.
I noticed something they say before the beginning, you were like trying to be silent. You don't have to be silent because they will believe those people that speak first over you that speak later.
Yes.
So when you see anything that you know that they are going to use, they are trying to say things against you, my dear, come out and then debunk it. Okay.
Exactly.
You taking care of the kids. I know mama you take care of the pikin. Give me my pikin. I know if you take care of the pikin. I need person to take care of. Okay, person they take care of pikin. You say you know me take care of the pikin. Later I know if you take care of the pikin. I don't understand. Madam, stay one place.
God will bless you. Person they take care of the pikin. He say go fit take care of the pikin. At the end
Yes.
they say go fit take care of the pikin.
More and not vex. So I know say yeah, I be mother. I get more. My mom is alive. Is where to do. I'll fit take care of pikin. Give me my pikin. I fit take care of her. Later I know fit take care of her. Madam, I stay one place. More know where you dey. No dey do overtaking for main road. More you just do one lane. More no na one. E be like driver when dey for 3 lane now. You dey go left, go right. Abeg stay one place. More know where we wan drive go. That one and that one. And also Patience Izzy, anything you're doing it for your late friend. So I would like to tell you that please,
I agree the house. So
please, can you please, you know, since then you've been quiet. Can you also be quiet or true? You're doing it for your late friend, not for anybody. So don't give a fuck of whatever anybody is saying about you. So whoever that want to help should help, and them too that want to help, please, they should also be please shut the fuck up and don't announce anything. Okay. Because I dey hate one thing when they say you won't help me, they announce. Now help me, they help me, I be you won't announce.
God bless you. That's what Miss Goldie is doing to those children.
No help me. If you know say you won't announce me, no help me. Help me, and then now me when you help, go announce. That's all. So I know they talk about. I know they join this. The thing I'm saying is that Patience Izzy, you are being a good friend because Based on all the story, go to back, man, your stop. You've done your own side, and you've been a good friend. Even if they say you get your own flaws, nobody is perfect in this world. Not they perfect now. So you know if you can't carry the wrong side of the person, they judge them, leave the good side. Yeah. So everybody do your part and rest. Man, let it dead. May rest. And those when they insult the children self, and now they are when they make me the best pass. You want on when they call this one when a part of the coin names is then what in your Dora what in your name? In real name. Her real name. Dora. Una get problem.
Some people children now.
No and Dora get problem.
All those one wait,
they don't die picking.
Rich Annie. Dora they insult
people children, yes, but they supposed to insult Dora back. But why would they go to insult them?
See why I say the correct son of children come out from where she dey?
Because you say you
I suppose for that word
3 minutes is okay. Let everybody contribute.
I suppose for that word
but you say
because if Dora and people get problem, may they tell her own body, may they give her woto. May they leave the dead the poor children alone
this
from
is the reason why I dey say you see now, babe, they take those children from her.
You right because anything when they will do they can't come the pikin body.
No, children, God bless you.
Body. You're right. For me, you're right. You're very, very right. For that one, you're very, very right. 100% right. I give you your.
God bless you.
I want to say thank you so much. That girl we come they talk for up yours now before you drop, and not be this one. No, me I don't know why now they twist Izzy ways. They say they carry pikin and mama your first grand pikin, whether na first or not be first grand pikin. They pursue they come up for December time snow. You want come they twist and say na Izzy say mama say na bad person. So people go school, they get certificate, but they cannot defend it.
You never see anything.
I just tired. You want come here and I say na Izzy say mama na bad person because the explanation way they give since you were not here.
Yeah.
You not hear them. They pursue grand pikin for winter time. Come up for us and pikin. You want come they tell say Izzy. Na true say you say mama. Hello, I don't understand. Why business of people go school certificate they don't fit defend them. Me not understand. Yeah. I know that's na Izzy. You now they sweet for his side. They do friend. Now he do friend. Not be bad fan. And for that one where that get talk just now say whether na Izzy na so easy they do something for Sharon, whether Sharon never do for Izzy before. Hello, forget beauty. Aye beauty ya aye o say ya unogari again. Forget that beauty say maybe Sharon fair pass this blah 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 blah. You dead you know head where Izzy carry con life where they talk say na so Sharon the help Izzy. Friends they like that. Friends, they like, you know that this euro, that you go see person go fine, you go day school, you know they see work. Now person way enough way be say go draw the leg go bend. Now I go even work, get money pass who fair, who be like beauty goddess. I don't understand. Why you call the toss it? Why you call the toss it? Now so easy the help.
See now
what you never see for this. Now what you never see for this euro.
Two things, friends.
Yes, now. Yes, my some people here they look beauty, look fresh, look face. Now heads they talk. Now head not be by fine, no.
So if you see
not be by fine.
Support you with money, that friend they support you with money. What it need for you when not get money? Now
I just tired.
They follow her.
And I just in any smart now so easy. They so here now good the do.
Money. I never give them one.
Now good the do.
My good heart. They follow. So let be the pay.
I just tired. You know that this Europe. You know that this Europe. Not be by fair on her head. You go see how this girl fair, but money not follow her. Not follow her, babe.
One a good heart.
Nora. Yeah. So easy. madam, if now what they talk, when they ask question, if you know say you not there yet since.
So you hear
No,
when
no come up because they ask question.
I just now say Sharon she did very very
And like say get one compliment for the work. Now the beauty.
She appreciate well. So anything you give her, she go appreciate you. So now what teacher they pay easy back be that. Say you give me this, I
just tired. If I don't want to be my contribution because the way that they talk and the thing vex me. Domo.
Bless you. Let's see. The new thing. That will be the last one.
Enogie, Yaro, Obidoleo. Comment section where I want to say something because Edowe Emire Amamiha one on you say the matter na sekino ye ona we sekino menwa ye because ya wa lelu wa kedere ade down with the news. Meanwhile, the question I really want to ask, Devenia Eva Mugo drag. I know number one question.
I know it.
Sharon where easy. Devenia Mugo dragina. Nana near where a Martina Eva or my equifo.
Oh, where Miss Goldie and Sharon. Where Miss Goldie can be patient.
All right. Miss Goldie.
Yeah.
Okay. On a normal basis, what are they dragging according to comment section? What are they really dragging?
Okay, I will explain to you.
Okay, let me answer for myself. I see the
I don't work by the thing. I don't know. I think they got for both.
If I don't know, if I will ask that question, I look at the power. Baba Lago.
C'est pas ton bon. Et puis je suis là, continue.
Yes.
Again, we're saying if my mom is there, up to the head, but my mom is there. Of the very
coma friends. I say coma no. She's your coma friend.
Izzy, please speak English. Speak broken. For the sake of comment session.
Okay. Me and that girl will not be.
Izzy, not this. Where you go? How are you, man? You will ask that question. You be enemy. Hey, not the talk again. You will ask that question. You use Benin talk. You say my patients use pidgin English. I been don't say with the follow up with the situation. You use Benin talk. Now Benin you even talk to the extent you go they refer to Sharon way not there this life again. Say now why are we there? No. Una we be enemy now once they catch now. Once. Who go where am we again no? Hey, go have you.
Oh gosh.
Hey, go.
Yeah, when I say me you use vegetator.
Hey, I use Benin all true. I be a lie. You confuse my fast. When they see this, the wisdom where this guy want use. Because of my fast the year Benin. You don't deceive my fast now. Apart from the few ones where the year Benin, we're deceiving you. How very you up, my brother?
Enogie. Sorry for the listening. Sorry for Nina Hame. I will not know English because I was watching your comment section. They asked me to speak English. On your say okay. Sorry. All right. Sorry for that. The reason why I ask because I'll be watching you. You understand? Either you are fighting the matter here, and you be watching the other guy for the other side of it. Yeah. But the major problem is the question is the family I believe where they have the best role to play in their personal family. But I see no reason why now I drag yes, I see no reason why they not dragging Ivana here.
Okay, God bless you. The family of the deceased has fed the deceased. The family of the deceased has fed the deceased. Let's go to the English segment of this saga. Now, my brother, let me tell you, Mama Sharon have only 2 children. The 2 kids that she have, one is no more and one is still alive. Since last year Sharon died till now, the one that is alive, the mother has never for once called the only son, the only surviving son left. and say, hello, my son, how are you? I just want to check on you. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, I beg, if you let me talk to the bro.
Talk now. In English. In English.
Okay, bros, well played for that question.
All right.
Then, I'm not dragging anything to anybody. As I did here, so I get a lot of things on my head. I dey try to figure out for myself because everything
Mama. Mama.
Ma. Me get my own problem. That's where I need to focus.
Mama.
Wetin dey Dorothy dey drag this particular thing. We dey talk now. Tomorrow go be evening start. My friend, my late friend baby birthday. I posted a video of him. Dorothy came online to threaten me and tell me, since you give me 24 hours to remove the picture, they even reported my TikTok. As I speak to you, my TikTok is at risk. They have reported it. I have the video evidence. She was bragging, say they don't drop her, they don't report her. They must not, because I posted my own friend's baby's birthday to wish my friend, my friend's daughter a happy birthday. Dorothy was not telling me that I don't have right to post it as the video that traumatized mama. I have video of your company. This girl video flew everywhere for TikTok. Every market day, now Dorothy they post now. I miss you, my friend. Then they post her everything. When I post on my own, where I post, I go to traumatize the mama. I saw this matter thing have all over again now. Where we dey, but nobody saying the truth.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Enogie. So I will beg you, as a father and as a man, and just a man, a grown-up man, please, brother, I will advise you to sort out and settle both of them, or rather settle your Izzy. Have been here and I know how you have been fighting for her, so please, I just want you to find a way to sort it out for them, because dragging the innocent children will not pay any good.
I'm not dragging the innocent children.
No, I'm not talking about you dragging the innocent children. I say dragging the innocent children. I never say you drag the innocent children, because when these two people are fighting, it will involve the children as well. So Izzy, I will still beg you as a mother, as a sister.
If I know for the Constance, now today this is my cut up truth for this life.
No, please. That's information.
Away, Miss Golden, you brought out Sharon's children for content, just to prove a point and impress people. You are the reason people are still dragging Sharon's today. It is a shame that even the Mama Sharon cannot tell you to stop. Jesus Christ. No support better. This is the best. Today I'll call you Mommy Constance for 5 minutes. Mommy Constance. Now Gogo. Now the man the bolo di rain and the man. You was forget already no rock go.
No, so that one remove a setting just to talk good.
Oh, we are here now. The boy yet in my head.
Because for that birthday, we should not messages to say why you go post that video. Why you go post
Mommy Constance. Listen, Miss Gordy, you brought out Sharon's children. Listen, they are doing yeah. Oh, well, Mary will go at you here. Yeah, what you be saying? What you be saying? Tu be saying? Tu be saying? Iya bẹ̀rẹ̀ rí àná. Iya bẹ̀rẹ̀ rí. Aware, Miss Goldie, you brought out Sharon's children for content just to prove a point and impress people. You are the reason people are still dragging Sharon today. It is a shame that even the Mama Sharon cannot stop. Yes, now. That is only one even.